Your subscriber may not be ignoring you. They may have subscribed, they may have hit the bell, they may have picked all, and your video still may not show up on their phone. That is why creators keep hearing the same thing. I never got the notification. And sometimes that is the truth, because the bell does not guarantee a lock screen alert anymore. Sometimes the alert gets pushed inside YouTube where most viewers never go looking. So before you blame your audience, you need to understand where your notifications are really going. Most creators think the bell is simple. A viewer subscribes, they tap the bell, they choose all, then every upload should pop up on their phone. But YouTube does not work that clean anymore. There is the bell setting, there is the viewer's phone setting, there is the YouTube app setting, there is the notification inbox inside YouTube, and now there is viewer activity. And no, I'm not making this up. So the real question is not just, did they hit the bell? The real question is, will YouTube still push your alert to their phone? That is where the problem starts. A subscriber can have all notifications turned on and still stop getting push alerts if they have not been watching your channel recently. They can still be subscribed, they can still like your content, they can still think they are getting every alert. But if they have not watched your videos for about a month, YouTube may stop pushing your uploads to their phone screen. The subscription is still there. The bell may still be on, but the phone alert can disappear. That is why a viewer can honestly say, I never got the notification. They did not miss it. They may have never seen it. The alert is not always gone. Sometimes it gets moved. Instead of showing up on the phone lock screen, it may land inside YouTube's notification inbox, that little bell icon inside the app. And most regular viewers do not check that bell every day. They are waiting for the phone to tell them. They expect the buzz. They expect the pop-up. They expect the lock screen alert. But if YouTube puts the alert inside the app, the viewer may never see it unless they open YouTube and go looking. So from the subscriber side, it feels like nothing happened. From the content creator side, it looks like nobody cared. But the real issue is quieter than that. The alert did not fail loud. It got buried. This is why hit the bell is not enough anymore. Tell your audience exactly where to find you. Open the YouTube app, tap the subscriptions tab, check the channels you actually care about. And if alerts stop showing up, go back to the channel, tap the bell, turn it off, then turn all back on. But the bigger fix is simple. Watch the channels you want YouTube to keep showing you. Because YouTube is not only looking at the bell, it is looking at behavior. If a viewer stops watching, the phone alerts can slow down or stop showing. So the bell is not just a button anymore. It is tied to whether the viewer still acts interested. Content creators can check this inside YouTube Studio. Go to Analytics, look for Subscriber Bell Notifications. That card shows how many subscribers chose all notifications and how many can actually receive notifications based on their device and account settings. Then check the video itself. Go to Content, click the video, open Analytics, go to Reach. Look for Bell Notifications Sent. That card shows how many bell notifications were sent, how many people clicked, and how many views came from those alerts. And a lot of creators will see the same thing. The bell is not carrying the channel. Most views do not come from notifications. They come from home, browse, suggested, search, subscriptions, returning viewers, and viewer behavior. So your channel cannot survive on hit the bell alone. You have to teach your audience how to find you on purpose. Please hear me out. Subscriber count does not mean delivery. A person can be subscribed and still miss your upload. They can have the bell on and still not get a phone alert. They can support your channel and still lose sight of you if they stop watching for a while. YouTube is watching viewer behavior. I shall repeat, YouTube is watching viewer behavior. Did they open your last alert? Did they watch your recent videos? Have they ignored the channel for weeks? Are phone notifications turned off? Did your channel upload too many times in one day? All of that can affect whether your alert reaches their phone. So when a subscriber says they missed your upload, do not take it personal. They may still be with you. The system may have stopped bringing your videos to their front door. Do not just tell viewers to hit the bell. Tell them where to find you. Say this clearly. If you want to keep seeing my videos, check the subscriptions tab. YouTube may not always send a phone alert even when the bell is on, because that is what subscribers need to know. When the alert never shows up, they may think you stopped uploading, and you may think they stopped watching. But both sides can be wrong. Sometimes the video was there the whole time. The viewer just never got the knock. So do not only ask them to ring the bell, teach them where the door is. Catch the trap before it catches your channel. If you want creator protection and YouTube policy simplified without the corporate fog, subscribe and stay close.